I'm about to get baked while baking. I have the Skittles and the Smarties disposables, and that's what I'm going to be hitting. It's the Piff brand. The THC percentage is 88 to 92%. I'm going to be baking a Fruity Pebbles cake, and it's gonna be fire. The first step is to spray the pan. I don't have a measuring cup. It says 3 eggs, 3/4 cup of water, and a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. And add the cake mix. I don't have a whisk. It's a lot of mixing. I don't know if it makes 2 layers or 1 layer, but I'm about to start pouring. I'm just gonna make 1 layer. Tastes really good. Yeah. I was supposed to stir these in. I messed up. I'm stoned. Alright. So I preheated the oven to 350. This is what it looks like with the Fruity Pebbles stirred in. I had to stir them in the pan because I forgot to put them in the bowl. You're supposed to stir like half of them in, then save the other half for decorating. Now I wait for it to bake. It's in there baking right now. I have it on 20 minutes. Right now it says like 19 left. So I'm baked. It looks so good. It was still a little doughy, so I put it back in for a minute. I'm gonna let it sit and then we'll see. So I had a little bit stick to the pan, but now I'm about to frost it. I have to be careful. No way. That's the cake with some Fruity Pebbles on it. Now I'm about to try it, although I kind of just did. It's perfect. Oh my god. Oh my god. Delicious. It's so good.